The Google Pixel 8 Pro has been leaked today in a CAD-based renders, and it's keeping the same design language as its predecessor by the looks of it. It's quite early for these renders as phone should only be released in October, but Google might tease it on May 10 during the I/O Developer Conference, just as it did last year with the Pixel 7 series. The Pixel 8 Pro has more rounded corners compared to the last year Pixel 7 Pro with less boxier overall appearance. The camera island is different too, even if it's still instantly recognized as belonging to a Pixel. This time around, it looks like Google chose to house three cameras in the same oval opening in the metal. There is also a new sensor underneath the flash, though at the moment it's unclear what it could be. The Pixel 8 Pro will be 12mm thicker at the camera bump. The display is said to be around 6.5 inches smaller than the Pixel 7 Pro, but this adjustment has to do with creating more rounded corners apparently. We also have unsurprisingly see the power and the volume button on the right side and the USB-C port and speaker on the bottom, while the SIM tray is on the left side. The phone is powered by upcoming Google Tensor G3 SoC, which is rumored to be based on unannounced Samsung Exynos 2300. That uses Samsung 3nm fabrication process. This could end up moving both performance and efficiency compared to the 5nm fabric Tensor G2. Moving towards the sooner release, Google Pixel 7a mid-range leaked not once but twice in the past 2 days, and now a new report from a usually reliable source claimed that this device will be released in June. Also in June, the Pixel Fold will hit the store according to the same source. The Fold will be offered in two color options, carbon and porcelain. Think of them as dark gray or black and white off-white. The device will only be available in 256GB of storage, and pricing has so far been said to come around at €1700. On the other hand, the Pixel 7a is rumored to offer the 128GB of storage. On the other hand, the Pixel 7a is rumored to be offering with 128GB of storage with blue, carbon and cotton hue color options. Pricing is expected to be around €500 in the EU. Both the Pixel Fold and the Pixel 7 are alleged going to be announced at Google I/O Developer Conference. And what are your thoughts on the new sensor that is coming in the Pixel 8 Pro? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.